G'day folks, today we are going to be taking a closer look at the handle charger by FeiyuTech. So basically this gives you some extra power for your FeiyuTech gimbals. It plugs into the bottom and can keep them going a little bit longer. So let's take a closer look. We'll open up the box and we'll see what all comes inside. So inside the box here, the first thing we have is some literature. Basically tells us a little bit about the unit, about the voltages and amperage, and basically what the lights mean on the unit itself. We have the actual handle grip itself. And on the other side here, we have a micro USB charging cable. This cable is used to charge up the handle and for plugging into your FeiyuTech gimbal. So here's the unit here, and it's pretty simple. On the back side here, we have a micro USB port, and that's for charging the unit, and then we have a full-size USB port, and that is what we plug into the gimbal to feed it some extra juice. On the top here we have a 1/4-inch tripod thread, and at the bottom we have another one, and that way we can still mount our gimbals on a tripod if we have this attached. These are compatible with most of the FeiyuTech gimbals, including the G6, the G5, the FeiyuTech G6 Plus. So installation is pretty simple. It just screws into the bottom of your FeiyuTech gimbal, just like that. And the nice thing about it is it matches the sleek design of the FeiyuTech gimbal and looks really sharp. It also acts as a bit of an extension handle. It's strong enough there that you can hold it and give yourself a little extra reach. Now when it comes to plugging it into the FeiyuTech handle, you can use the micro USB cable that came with the handle, but you can also use the one that came with your FeiyuTech gimbal. And it's as simple as plugging in the large end to the handle, and then we're going to take the micro USB end and we will plug it into the gimbal just like so. As soon as you plug it in, you'll notice this light lights up. It's a 360-degree LED light that goes around the whole circumference. Basically, the blinking dictates how much power is left in the handle. 1 blink is that it's almost empty. 4 quick blinks means that it's right full. Also, when it lights and blinks, you know that your device is being charged. That signifies that there's current going from one to the other. And as you can see here, the FeiyuTech gimbal is indeed being charged, and you can use it while it's being charged. Now the only thing is, when using it like this, you have this long cable. You could wrap it around the handle, or you could get a shorter cable. A 6 to 9 inch cable would probably fit that perfectly, and I'll include some links down below to products that work well for a situation like this. And as you can see, we got the G6 here, and it fits in there with no problem as well. Now, because this is just like a traditional power bank, you can charge any device you want with this. For example, you could plug your phone in there and charge it up. You can also use this in conjunction with a GoPro. You've got a nice little handle, and you can keep your battery charged. Let's put that together. So the first thing we're going to do is take the side door off the GoPro. And the reason why we're going to do that is it allows us to charge the GoPro while it's mounted in the frame. You can see there's a cutout there, so that allows us to plug in power while it's mounted. We will need one of these GoPro tripod adapters, and we're just going to screw it in. We will add a thumb screw. So we now have a nice rubberized gripped handle for our GoPro, with the added bonus of giving us some extra power. And again, you could use the cable that comes with your GoPro. This is the one that comes with the GoPro Hero 6. But what I like to use is this little mini USB-C cable. It just takes away some of the slack and doesn't make it so cumbersome. And it just plugs in and then right into the GoPro, just like that. You can see the light on the handle is flashing, and the charging light on the GoPro is on. So we're now charging up the GoPro, and with GoPros, they're designed, you can use them while they're being charged. So essentially this will just keep your battery fully charged at all times. So with that kind of power, that should keep you filming all day with a nice little contained unit like this. Anyways folks, that's it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.